Good afternoon, guys. I am Gadin Marsanes, your teachers for today's afternoon. So, bago tayo magsimula sa ating lesson ay tatanungin ko muna kayo kung meron ba talaga kayong natutunan sa ating previous lesson. So, bago tayo magsimula ay meron muna tayo ng motivational. So, ito, magde-decode lang tayo sa mga ginagamit natin using, kung natatandaan nyo, sa paggamit ng keypad na cellphone, i-decode lang natin siya. Tapos, kung ano yung lumabas dun sa cellphone is, yun yung sagot. Yan. Pagtapos natin mag-decode is, magsisimula na tayo ng activity, which is find me and solve me. Sa activity natin ay meron tayo ng group, choose your partner to solve the problem. Pagka nakapili na kayo ng inyong partner ay magbibigay ako ng inyong isosolve. So, after nyo masolve yung first activity natin is, meron naman tayo ng second activity, which is pick me, choose me. At isesend ko yung problem at para masolve nyo. Pagkas nyo ma-solve is, magsisimula na tayo sa ating main lesson, which is ones and twos complement arithmetic. Demonstrate complement mastery in converting ones and twos complement numbers. Classifying two complemented forms, which is ones and twos complement arithmetic. Execute the steps in solving ones and twos complement arithmetic. What is a ones complement? Ones complement is a very easy method for representing negative numbers in binary system. We have to simply convert the ones with 0 and the zeros with 1, and we will get the ones complement of that number, which is also the negative value of that number. So, the ones complement of the number 1 0 0 1 1 0 0.1001 comes out 0 1 1 0 0 1.0110. First complement of negative 16 is 0 0 1 0 0 0, and that is the negative. First complement of negative 25 The positive 25 is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. And the negative is equals to 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. One's complement of negative 50. This is the positive of 50. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. And this is the negative 50. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So this is the step 1. Find the complement of the negative number. For example, add 39 to negative 12. 12 is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. And negative 12 is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. One's complement. Step 2. Then add both numbers. 39 is equals to 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Negative 12 is equals to 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. The answer is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Step 3. If the result of addition has carryover, then it is dropped and 1 is added in the last bit. 39 is equals to 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Also, negative 12 is equals to 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. The answer of this is ones. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0 plus 1 equals 27. 27 is equals to 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Add 40 to negative 15. 15 is equals to 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Negative 15 is equals to 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. One's complement. 40 is equals to 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. Negative 15 is equals to 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. The answer is one's complement 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0 plus 1. 25 is equals to 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Add 38 to negative 74. 74 is equals to 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Negative 74 is equals to 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. One's complement. 38 is equals to 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Negative 74 is equals to 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. And the answer is negative 36. Negative 36 is equals to 110, 11011. So next is, what is 2's complement? 2's complement is the way every computer chooses to represent integers. To get the 2's complement negative notation of an integer, you write out the number in binary. You then invert the digits and add 1 to the result. Positive numbers are simply represented as simple binary representation. But if the number is negative, then it is represented using 2's complement. First, represent the number with positive sign and then take 2's complement of that number. 2's complement of negative 16. 16 is equals to 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Negative 16 is equals to 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Plus 1 equals to 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. That is 2's complement. 2's complement of negative 25. 25 is equals to 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Negative 25 is equals to 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Plus 1 is equals to 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. That is 2's complement. 2's complement of negative 50. 50 is equals to 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Negative 50 is equals to 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Plus 1 equals is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. That is 2's complement. Steps for 2's complement. Step 1. Find the complement of the negative number. Add 55 to negative 45. 45 is equals to 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Negative 45 is equals to 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Step 2. Add 1 to result to get the 2's complement. Negative 45 is equals to 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Plus 1 is equals 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. That is 2's complement. Step 3. Proceed to addition. And if there is carry 1 in the result, discard it. But make sure the result is still in 8 bits. 5 is equals to 001111 minus 45 is equals to 11010011. 1's complement is equals to 0001010. Add 56 to negative 34. 34 is equals to 0010010. Negative 34 is equals to 11011101 plus 1 equals to 11011110. That is 2's complement. 56 is equals to 0011100. Negative 34 is equals to 11011110. 1 is equals to 000101110. 22 is equals to 000101110. Add 48 to negative 57. 57 is equals to 001110001. Negative 57 is equals to 11000110 plus 1 is equals 11000111. That is 2's complement. 48 is equals to 0011000. Negative 57 is equals to 11000111. Negative 9 is equals to 11110111. So we have quiz. I'll give you some quiz and you answer this in 3 minutes or 5 minutes. So after the quiz, and I gave you some assignment, and this is your assignment. Sleep well, take care of your mental health, and thank you for listening.